Hi everyone, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you what is in our September Creative Kit Club box. It is our Christmas box and it's jam-packed full of Christmas goodness. Let's take a look at what's in the box. We're going to start with these beautiful Christmassy sequins. We have got some gorgeous Christmassy baker's twine, all the sparklies. We have got some glitz and glam by Couture Creations. We have got some sparkly green thread, some velvet snowflakes, these are really cool. Some Curios from the Kaisercraft Peppermint Kisses collection. We have got some card and envelopes because it's Christmas, of course you need card and envelopes. There are some straws here for making things. A packet of collectibles from the Peppermint Kisses collection. A laser cut with some nice Christmas sayings. And of course the magazine, which is full of all of your step-by-step instructions with 4 layouts, and of course at the back there is cards as well. So in the magazine we have got the cut apart sheet, which just adds lots of sayings and cuteness to your box. A sheet of sparkly red glitter card. Couple of extra sheets of paper that were not included in the paper pack. We've got this cutie one so you can cut some bits out, and same with this one here. Some cardstock, we've got some time and white, and lucky last, the whole Peppermint Kisses paper pack. Let's take a look at the layouts. We had Kylie Kingham come and design from us this month, and she has done some gorgeous projects for us. This is our first die, it's called Geotexture, and I'll show you those add-on dies afterwards. Another one of Kylie's. Super cute, Christmassy, sparkly, gorgeous layouts. Alicia McManara also joined us. This is one of hers. This is one of mine. Me and Pearl. Who doesn't love a good selfie filter? Really cute. This is the other die, by the way, which is a little cute Christmas bauble ones with lots of different bits. And there it is again. Great layouts. I love how she has used this here. I thought she actually stitched it, but she's just glued it on there. Like, even I could do that. And again, there's that cute die. And lucky last layout. I love just the mint of this one. So cute. And who doesn't have a Santa chair picture? Okay, so I made you guys a bonus layout, and I'm calling it a bonus layout because I didn't realise, not until I went to video this, that this piece of background paper I've used is not actually in this kit. I flicked it over and went, oh, that doesn't look Christmas. It was on my desk, so it's a Kaiser paper, I'm just not sure which one yet, but it wasn't from this collection, and I put all these layouts out and went, wonder why no one else used this gorgeous piece of paper, it's so pretty. That's because it wasn't in the kit. But there you go, you could definitely do this layout with a piece of paper in the kit, or go through your old kits because I reckon this one will be in there. Actually, I think it was a mint green collection. I'll look it up and tell you what it is in the link, okay? Cards, Candy Telepi joined us, and look what she did with those straws. See, I told you they were making straws. I love this with just the little squares. And she made a shaker card with those gorgeous bling. And this is just divine. I'll show you all the layers on there. Sorry, focus on that. Look at that. That's a special card. I'd give that one to my mum. And also super cute little fun cards here from Shana. There's also another one which somehow I have managed to misplace. Alright, let's take a look at the dies. Very cute background die. It is called Geotexture die, and it is $15.80, and this one is our Christmas bauble ones with all the different components in there, and that one is $17.60. But before I go, I very quickly want to show you the gorgeous card making kit that Tanya Ridgewell has designed for us. It's with the Starry Night collection from Kaisercraft, and these are just $25. They come with the paper pad, some card and envelopes, some bling, some ribbon, and they are super beautiful. And you can also order these. This is the last of our Christmas card making kits. We have the other one, the mint one, and that one as well. So this is everything for our Christmas collection. I hope you love it. I really enjoyed the red and green. More traditional colours, but a super modern collection by Kaisercraft. They've done a fantastic job. You can buy this on our website, www.uniquelycreative.com.au. Till next time, bye.